let me show you how to charge your mini drone. So these drones go under these names, but again they're the same drone, just from different sellers. And to charge your drone, as you see, you have your battery over here, and we have to remove it first to be able to charge it. So simply take your finger over here, push this slightly and pull. As you see, you have this latch over here, and then we can simply remove the battery from the drone. And to charge the battery, as you see, you have your Type-C port over here. So also inside the box you will get your Type-C cable, but also we can use pretty much any cable to charge this drone. So then to charge it, simply take basically your Type-C and plug it in, and the other end obviously plug in your wall adapter, or also maybe computer, or wherever you can. And once you actually plug in, as you see, you will see this red light actually appear. So while it's charging, you will see the red light, and once it's fully charged, the red light will essentially disappear. So if you basically plug this in and you actually do not see red light, that means it's actually not charging. And actually I have quite a lot of problems basically charging these batteries, because it actually doesn't work with most adapters that I tried. It only works with one adapter that I tried. So again, if you plug it in basically, and if it's not like red over here and nothing happens really, simply try another power adapter. So maybe plug in your computer or wherever really. But again, you should see the red light. So when it comes to the charging time, so charging time is actually very slow on this battery. It's well over 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hours basically if you fully depleted. And this is the capacity. By the way, I'm not sure how accurate this is. Maybe it's even like less, so from my experience. So, and when it comes to the flight time, you can expect to get around 5 minutes of like decent airtime basically once the battery is charged. And also, if you see your drone actually becomes sluggish when you actually fly, maybe it's not responding very well, or also maybe if you use a phone app, basically the screen goes fuzzy, and the video recorded also isn't very good quality. That most likely means your battery is running low, and you should land your drone and recharge it as soon as possible. So again, it creates problems, all kinds of problems basically once it starts to basically run low, and you'll probably see that. By the way, if you're looking to purchase this drone, I'll leave special discount link in the description where you can get it for only a bit over $10 on AliExpress, and that is also with free shipping. So yep, this is actually what I paid for mine. For this price, I think this drone is absolutely insanely good. So yeah, make sure to check it out if you also want to get this drone. Good luck.